Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. I just picked up the new Holiday Beauty Box from Lancome. This retails for $75 with any $42 Lancome purchase. It is worth $440 and has 9 full-size products in it. And today I'm going to show you what's in the box and how to use each product. So let's get started. This is Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Concentrate. It is used both morning and night before your moisturizer. It's an anti-aging serum that helps with radiance, glow, and anti-aging. This is Renergie Lift Multi-Action Ultra. This moisturizer is a day moisturizer. Use it after your Genifique. It has an SPF of 30, it lifts and firms, and also helps with dark spot correcting. Advanced Genifique Light Pearl is this serum. It has a little roller ball on the inside, which helps to deflate puffiness. It helps with dark circles and also fine lines. It also can be used along the lash line to help strengthen your lashes. Next, we have the Facile Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. This eye makeup remover is in every makeup artist kit. It is the best, and it takes off long wear eyeshadow, long wear lip color, and works in just one stroke. All you need to do is shake it and then put it onto a cotton ball, and your makeup comes right off. Next, we have Sils Booster. Sils Booster goes underneath your mascara and helps to condition and add volume and length to your lashes. Next, we have the Sils Mascara. This mascara goes over your Sils Booster, and it helps to lengthen and separate the lashes clump-free. The fragrance in the beauty box is La Vie est Belle, meaning life is beautiful in French. Lastly, the box comes with a compact and a lipstick. The compact can be used for both cheeks and eyes. My recommendation is to start with the bronze shade. This shade can be used for both contour and bronzer. For contour, start with the cheeks, apply on the sides of the nose and around the perimeter of the face. For a bronze look, apply across the forehead and continue making a 3 for a sun-kissed look. For blush, apply either the peach or the plum shade on the apples of the cheeks. For glow, add the gold shimmer shade on the tops of the cheekbones, down the center of the nose, and on the cupid's bow. For eyes, I used the bronze shade in my crease and then wrapped it under my eyes for shape and definition. I then took the gold shade and with my ring finger swiped it across my lids. And to complete the look, on my lips I applied the red lipstick in Caprice. Here's the final look. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.